Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to archive lists in your Trello account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you are already logged into your Trello account. Now let's get started. Open your Trello app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Tap on boards option. Here I go. Now you have to choose the board of which you want to archive list. Here I will be choosing board accounts. Here I go. Now at the top you can see three dots. Tap on that. Now here you will be seeing different options. Here you have to choose archive all cars in this list if you want to archive all the cars of this list, or if you don't want to do that, you can tap on archive list so that only this list would archive. Here I will be choosing archive all cars in this list. Here I go. Now tap on archive all. In this way, you can archive list in the boards. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.